I'm combining Field Sing 91 with Advent Songbird Day 18 today. So I'm going to be singing one festive song and one song from one of my shows. And the whole point of the Advent Songbird Challenge is to just spread the word about my shows, Songbirds and Some Enchanted Sondheim, which I'm going to be taking on the road to various different venues in 2022. So any help with that will be much appreciated, whether it's ideas for venues, contacts at different places, or even if you've got a few coins to throw in the busking jar, which is in the post if you're on Facebook. If you're on something else, just have a look at my website. The latest blog post on there gives a little bit of information about what I'd like to do. So here I am in quite a foggy, misty field, but it does look beautiful. This is my 91st Saturday in a row of singing outside. So the first song I'm going to do is the festive one. And it's a very, very old carol to a very well-known tune. And it's called What Child Is This? What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? This is Christ the King, whom angels guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him praise, the babe, the Son of Mary. Why lies he in such mean estate, where ox and ass are feeding? Good Christian, fear for sinners here, the silent word is pleading. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him praise, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh. Come, peasant king, to own him. The King of kings salvation brings. Let loving hearts enthrone him. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him praise, the babe, the Son of Mary. So that was What Child Is This, to the tune of Greensleeves, of course. Hopefully, oh, nearly dropped my camera. Hopefully you recognise that one. So for my second song, which is featured in Songbirds, I would like to sing a song that was famously performed, whoops, falling into a ditch, famously, there's the ditch, famously performed by Julie Andrews in Mary Poppins. Now, I can hear some birds. Let me know if you can hear any. Yep, there's a few birds there. So I'm going to sing Feed the Birds. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls, come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, feed the little birds, show them you care, and they'll be glad if you do. The young are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is twopence from you. Feed the birds, twopence a bag, twopence, twopence, twopence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, twopence a bag, twopence, twopence, twopence a bag. Thank you for listening to Advent Songbird Day 18 and Field Sing 91, my 91st Saturday of singing outside in all weathers. It's actually really nice today, a little bit misty and cold, but dry and still, so hopefully you could hear me quite well, as there's not much wind today. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Feed the birds and What Child Is This today for Advent Songbird 18 and Field Sing 91. So I'll be back tomorrow, probably inside, for Advent Songbird 19. And next Saturday is actually Christmas Day. Am I going to do Field Sing 92 on Christmas Day? Well, you just have to wait and see what happens there. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for listening. Please give me a like or a love and a comment. And bye for now.